Let's go over to our cubes and see. By the way, hi guys, look at them all waving. They're so cute, aren't they?
I never realized they all wave.
Yeah.
And they never...
All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 3 more to go. You're doing the eye closed trick.
Done. What is it?
Ooh, I don't know which one you got, but here we go. Go ahead, do it. All right, hold that button, kiddo. Legend. Do we have this one?
I think so.
Do we?
Maybe.
Nope. Legendary Vader we did not have. And now we do. Let's go ahead and mark that one. All right. Another one. Oh, we did have a Vader Grail. Wow.
I thought it was He-Man.
We did. Okay. Well, very cool. I thought we didn't have a Grail, but we do. Do we have a He-Man Grail? Nope. And we have no UFO Grails. So, these numbers are outdated. But there we go. Star Wars Grail. Very cool. I did not know that. Awesome. All right, guys. So, completed another rarity level. On to the next. See you soon.